Orbbo, every powder is produced through a disciplined, export-grade manufacturing system designed for reliability, safety, and global application performance. Our Holy Basil, Tulsi powder is developed using a regulated, export-ready manufacturing system engineered to preserve key bioactive compounds such as eugenol, ursolic acid, rosmarinic acid, and other essential phenolic compounds, ensuring international compliance and reliable batch-to-batch uniformity. The journey begins at carefully selected farms where Tulsi is cultivated under sustainable and traceable agricultural practices. Crops are monitored throughout their growth cycle to ensure healthy leaf development and optimal phytochemical content. Harvesting takes place at peak maturity when the plant's essential oils and bioactive compounds are naturally concentrated. Post-harvest, the leaves undergo systematic manual and mechanical selection. Only vibrant, properly matured material is approved for processing. The selected Tulsi is subjected to multi-stage hygienic cleaning to remove dust, soil, and foreign particles. Maintaining clean raw input ensures stability and consistency throughout production. Drying is conducted under regulated temperature and airflow parameters to prevent thermal degradation of heat-sensitive compounds. This controlled drying phase supports preservation of essential oils, including eugenol, retention of phenolic antioxidants, maintenance of natural green pigmentation, stabilization of moisture content for extended shelf life. Dried Tulsi leaves are milled using food-grade grinding systems optimized to minimize excessive heat generation during pulverization. This step ensures uniform fine powder, consistent dispersion in formulations, protection of thermolabile phytonutrients. Advanced sterilization methods are then applied to reduce microbial load while preserving the botanical's natural properties. Every batch undergoes comprehensive laboratory testing, including heavy metal screening, microbial safety analysis, moisture validation, quality compliance verification. Only approved batches proceed to final packaging. The finished organic Holy Basil powder is packed under controlled conditions, stored with care, and distributed to markets worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use, all with a touch of care and dedication. We are Orbbo.